What's up, guys? It's Anthony, and today is just going to be kind of like a little bit of talking. I don't know if I'm going to throw in a couple more days with this stuff or what I'm going to do, but yeah, we'll just kind of see. I also do apologize that this channel has been awfully dead lately. It's been kind of crazy, as well as I've changed jobs and just done kind of like a lot of stuff, and I do have a gaming channel that I upload to as much as I can, and it's getting kind of close to 1,000 subscribers, so I have been trying to focus on that quite a lot, so I do apologize for that. But I want to try and do a little bit of vlogging / like car stuff. It's kind of what this channel is, and just to kind of upload whatever I really want, you know. So hopefully that it does just kind of be fun and things like that. If you guys do want to know what my gaming channel is, just look up Solo Assassin, and yeah, you guys will find me, because I'm the only solo assassin as far as I know, with almost 1,000 subscribers at the time of recording this video. Who knows, you might stumble on this in a couple months or a year or something, and hopefully we'll have over 1,000 subscribers on that channel, and hopefully this channel too. But yeah, we kind of don't have too much going on. I do still have the Ford Ranger, as you guys can see here. There's been a couple things that have been done to this. I haven't recorded them or anything like that, because it's just been kind of like spur of the moment stuff, and it was kind of hard to film because I didn't really have like a tripod or anybody to really help me with filming, and it's kind of embarrassing if anybody is around. It is definitely very hard to vlog and stuff like that, even with this guy that's over here. He is watering his yard, and he's like 2 or 3 houses down. And it's still kind of nerve-wracking, to be completely honest with you. So, yeah. But I'll show you guys a little bit of what we've done. Alright, so for starters, something that has changed since the last time you guys did see this truck on the channel is I have an aftermarket radio now, which was one of the first quote-unquote mods I've done to the truck. Yeah, it was definitely very much needed, as well as the AC didn't work. It blew and everything was good, but it just wasn't cold, so the AC has been recharged. If we go ahead and step outside the truck, this side is the cleaner side, but it does have a leveling kit on it now, so they sit pretty level. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but there is a leveling kit installed down there. You can see that little black puck. The mud flaps are gone. We took the mud flaps off. I don't like mud flaps at all. Those were on the front and the back, as well as this little like chin grill thing that used to be here. It's kind of like a little fine line of where it was. You can kind of see these scratches. There's a little bit of mud on the truck. I kind of hit a bit of a mud puddle today. It was only on this side, so I'm very disappointed. But yeah. But that's all that we've done to the truck so far. I would like to do like some rims at least, to try and spice the truck up a little bit, as well as take the shell off and maybe do like a bed cover or something. Definitely this summer I think I'm going to try and take the shell off. Because hopefully I'll have my own place and stuff like that by then, so I could put the shell somewhere and take all the tools and stuff like that out of it, and don't have to worry about it and stuff like that, except for when we go wheeling, which I have gone wheeling with this truck for the very first time, which was really fun. I should have recorded it, but I think maybe this weekend, well, no, yeah, maybe this weekend we can go wheeling. I would like to go wheeling, honestly, because it'd be pretty nice, as well as my birthday's coming up, so that'd be kind of like an early birthday present to myself. But yeah, not really too sure. Let me know like what you guys would like to see, just from like vlogging and just like regular stuff like that. Just anything that involves, like, you know, we could do like couples challenge or something like that, or like boyfriend girlfriend challenge. I would have to try and talk my girlfriend into doing that, as well as she's got a Jeep now, and it's a Jeep Liberty, and it's pretty nice, and she would like to do a little bit of stuff to it. Mainly we clean it a lot. So I've kind of got her addicted to cleaning. But maybe we can make a video on like detailing it or something like that, because like the seats are kind of dirty and the paint could use a little bit of cleanup and wax and stuff like that. And maybe I could learn some stuff, maybe you guys could learn some stuff, maybe you guys could help me learn some stuff. Who really knows? I just want to try and make this something a little bit fun, especially because gaming, it does get a little bit boring sometimes, but that's been my main channel and that's kind of what it is. Kind of don't really know what to do with it, and I kind of want to stick with a certain niche. This channel is just kind of like a extra, I do whatever I want to do kind of thing, and I'm going to really enjoy that, honestly, because it's really fun, especially with the kind of work that I do. I could just show you guys like little snippets of like what I do throughout the week. I think you guys might enjoy that as well. Little adventures, little installs, you know, like my girlfriend's got some factory like rock sliders on her Jeep Liberty that I want to pull off because they're kind of rusty, and I want to sand them and paint them. Either we could pull them off or we'll just do it on the Jeep, something like that. As well as to hopefully sometime this summer, or you know, maybe into winterish time, I'll be able to get another XJ or even another Jeep somehow. I really do miss my Jeep. The Jeep was definitely a main thing that helped grow this channel. A lot of you guys found me from like the how to replace the lower radiator hose for my Jeep when I did record that video. It's definitely doing the best on the channel. Really hoping that this video does good as well. And for now, I'm just gonna use my phone to record. I'm gonna get like a little like window mount thing to put in my truck, as well as I want to get like a tripod for the camera. Just that way I can set you guys up and stuff like that, and it does make it a lot easier. And when I'm driving, I could just talk to you guys too, versus like this where I'm sitting in here. So like if I got a window mount, I could put you guys up here or something, you know, when I'm driving, or I could even put you guys like more over here. Because with this definitely being a manual, it makes it very difficult to drive with one hand, because you kind of need to steer and to shift. As well as to, you know, maybe we'll get a Jeep or maybe a car or something to drift or drag race with or something like that. As well as this summer, I would like to take this truck to my local drag strip, quote unquote local, but it'd probably be like an hour and a half drive. So we'll kind of see how that goes. But it could definitely be very fun to take this to the drag strip and just see what it does. Never been down a drag strip, and I think it'd be kind of cool for like anybody who's nervous to do that themselves, to kind of give you a little bit of a idea of like more behind the scenes versus like other YouTubers where you see they have like special privileges and they just kind of like do whatever they want there. And the camera just got really dark. Hold on. The camera doesn't want to focus, but you know, like what to do, what to expect kind of thing, because I've never done it and I would like to do it. And I mean, I know this thing isn't very fast. It makes like 170 horsepower, weighs kind of nothing, and you know, it's not meant to be fast. It's pretty torquey around town, but not top speed stuff, so probably run like maybe a 20-second pass down the quarter mile. Who knows? But it would be kind of cool to see, and maybe do like cold air intake and a little bit of other stuff like that. Who knows? But that's kind of all I have to talk to you guys for today. I might throw in some other stuff, and I can see my girlfriend right now. She is currently driving up, and we'll just kind of see what happens. It is definitely very, very hot. And there goes her Jeep. Let me know if you guys would like to see any videos on that. It's already lifted, so I don't really know what we're gonna do to it. Kind of sucks. Has a little bit of a transmission problem that we're gonna try and fix, and maybe I'll get her to go wheeling with me one day. Who knows, but we'll find out. But if you are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. And it has been Anthony, and I'm going to talk to you guys later.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can